Now, I guess the reason you're watching this video is because you, a partner, or someone you share a room with has a problem with snoring. It's a common problem that affects many people the world over, but also one that many tend to ignore. So welcome to the first of my videos that I hope will help you to understand some of the issues related to snoring, how you can cope with snoring, and some of the remedies that are available to help you, whether they are commercial products that you can purchase or natural ways that can help you to stop snoring. So what can you do if you have to share a bed or a room with someone who snores? The partners of millions of snorers are kept awake for anything up to 2 hours each night. Yeah, you heard me right. 2 hours each and every night, which equates to approximately 2.5 years of lost sleep over the course of an average marriage. Think about it. 2.5 years of your life wasted because you have to deal with someone snoring every night. So what's the answer? Well, the most important thing is to talk about it. Choose a time when you are both relaxed and in comfortable surroundings and talk about it. Explain to them that it's having an impact on your relationship because it keeps you awake at night. You don't like having to get up in the morning still feeling tired, especially as you may have to go to work feeling tired all day, or maybe, I don't know, you have to get the children ready for school before you start your daily chores. Above all else, try and encourage them to take steps to stop.